Now, although I only have a few thousand subscribers, and my latest videos have only been getting a few hundred views, making YouTube videos has changed my life, but not in the ways you might think. Now, if you're on the fence about creating YouTube videos, I'm not going to tell you whether you should or you shouldn't, but in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 ways that posting videos on YouTube and content creation has positively impacted my life. Firstly, I stopped caring so much about what other people thought of me. Now, before I posted my first YouTube video, I made a big deal about it in my head. I thought everyone would watch it, everyone would judge me, everyone would roast me. But when I actually did decide to post my first YouTube video on this channel, I don't think many people really cared. I don't think it got even that many views. It got like 50 views or something like that initially. Maybe 100 because I kept refreshing the tab. But I kind of learned from that point onwards that I don't think people care as much as we make it out to be in our heads. And this is what people often describe as the spotlight effect, where we always think there's a spotlight on us, but in actuality, everyone's so worried about themselves. And I find this very liberating. And although it's still a work in progress to not care so much what other people think of me, I've been trying my best to create what I believe would benefit the world and make the things that I want to make. And this has carried to other aspects of my life as well. Number 2, I've learned lots of skills as a result of content creation. Skills like copywriting, video editing, videography, how to talk clearly to a camera, the marketing funnel, and the psychology of persuasion. And I'll explain how these skills have been useful. So number 3, I've gotten a lot of opportunities as a result of having these skills. So because I was posting on YouTube, I decided to try posting on TikTok. And I made a TikTok about this personal finance blog and how it was helping me on my personal finance journey. And then the founder of that blog actually reached out to me, and then we eventually started working together. So I got that opportunity from content creation. On another occasion, I got a research summer studentship. Like in mid school, during our summers, we can spend that researching, and that helps us with our CV and helps us with research experience. And one of the reasons why I got this particular summer studentship was, I think, the doctor wanted someone to help him film and edit videos for his personal stuff and for the hospital. So I put that on my CV. So I think that was part of the reason why I got the job. And also, as a result of me posting some of these video editing tutorials, a few people have reached out to me. And as a result, I've gotten to do a little bit of freelance video editing from making these YouTube videos. And these opportunities as a whole has resulted in learning more skills, and that has gotten me more opportunities, which has made me more money. And the money from these opportunities have greatly outweighed the money I've earned from YouTube AdSense. Number 4, being able to help others. Now, although my videos don't get too many views in comparison to the big YouTubers, I've made very niche videos in the past. For example, medical school at the University of Auckland. And it's very niche, right? It's a very targeted audience. And it's one of the coolest feelings for someone to come up to you and for them to tell you that they watch your videos and that your videos has helped them. It's a great human experience. And it's a very great feeling. And also, I feel similarly when people comment on my YouTube videos. So thank you if you comment, and if you send a DM, that means a lot as well. Number 5, lastly, getting to know other content creators. I've had the opportunity to talk to a few content creators online, and then occasionally, if we are in the same location, I've met up with a few of them and hung out with a few of them. So that's another perk about making content. And oftentimes you'll have the similar mindset because, you're doing the same activity, both putting yourself out there. So overall, making these YouTube videos and content creation in general has benefited me these 5 ways. Number 1, it has helped me train the muscle of not caring so much about what other people think about me. Number 2, it has provided me with useful skills. And number 3, those skills has led to opportunities, and those opportunities has led to me learning more skills, allowing me to get more opportunities and make more money. Number 4, content creation allows me to help other people, which is an amazing feeling. Number 5, I've got to meet other creators, which has been really cool as well. So if you're thinking about pursuing content creation, these are just 5 of the benefits that I've personally experienced. There's probably more out there if you take this to a higher level. But thanks for watching. My name is Junius. See you in the next one.